Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? How are you, my dear friends? Today I am going to start part number 4 in chapter number 13, ways to multiply and divide. Before starting this session, one thing I want to tell you. If you didn't complete your CW book, please complete it. And if you have any query, if you have any doubt, please drop your message in the comment section box. So inshallah ta'ala we will try to give proper solution and we will try to give proper answer, proper solution. Clear what I am telling you, my dear students? In a previous video we have discussed multiplication of the two numbers. For example, 47 multiplied by 54, 325 multiplied by 54. Same type of question we will continue here, but in a different way. Clear what I am telling you, my dear students? Okay. Here in a page number 172, Shantaram, a special cook. Clear? Shantaram is a special cook who comes only on party days. Last year he was called for only 28 days. Okay? He or she came on the previous month 28 days. So here, my dear students, for each day he has to be paid rupees 165. Find out how much money he will get in all. Okay? एक दिन का पैसा उनको कितना मिलता है? He has to be paid rupees 165 one day. So he came 28 days in a previous month. So कितना उनको पैसा मिलेगा? So what we have to do, my dear students? We will multiply एक दिन का 165 rupees, right? और वो 28 दिन आता है, तो what we have to do? We will multiply 165 multiplied by 28. Now we will go to a solution, right? So my dear students, look at this side. So here the same question I have repeated here. Okay, now the solution is the given salary paid to Shantaram for one day is equal to how many rupees? 165 rupees. Clear? How many days he came? So the salary paid to Shantaram for 28 days. He came 28. So is equal to rupees 165 multiplied by 28. Clear what I am telling you, my dear students? Okay. Now I am going to show a solution here. Okay, look at this side. 165 multiplied by 28. So here what we have to do first? 165 multiplied by 28. So 165, okay, multiply by 8. Okay. So 8 5 ja 40. Clear? Carry out by 4. 8 6 ja 48. 48 plus 4, 52. Okay, carry out by 5. 8 1 ja 8. 8 plus 5. 8 के बाद 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. So my dear students, look at this side. 1320, which I have written here. clear? Okay, now 165 multiplied by 20. मैं आपको एक टेक्निक में बताता हूँ कि दूसरा नंबर के बीच में अगर कोई जीरो आता है तो उसको क्या करो, निगलेक्ट करो। तो आपका नंबर क्या आएगा, सिर्फ 165 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2। तो 165 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 मैं बाद में आपको मैं बताता हूँ बेटा। ओके, तो 165 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 तो इज इक्वल टू 5 2 जा 10। ओके, कैरी आउट बाई 1, 6 2 जा 12, 12 प्लस 1 13। ओके, कैरी आउट बाई 1, 2 2 1 जा 2। ओके, 2 प्लस 1 3। ओके, 330। बट ये एक्स्ट्रा जीरो we have forgotten to put, so we will put here. The answer is 3300. Okay, the answer is here. Clear? Now look at this side. 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 3 3 के बाद 4 5 and 6 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So my dear students, how many salary he will get after completion of 1 month? So he will get, the Shantaram paid rupees 4,620 rupees. Okay. Hence the money Shantaram gets in all in rupees 4,620 rupees. Clear? Okay. The answer is here, which I have written here. Clear? Now we will move on the question number 2. If he is called for all days of the year, it means how many days in 1 year? There are maybe either 365 days or 366 days. If the leap year is coming, okay, if the leap year is coming, so that year is equal to 366. अगर leap year आता है तो 366 डेज आता है, अगर नहीं आता है तो 365 डेज आता है। Clear what I am telling you, my dear students? Okay. So if he is called for all days of the year, how much salary will he get? So I am asking beta, in 1 day how many rupees he will get? So he gets 165 rupees per day, right? Clear what I am telling you? Suppose if he will come, if he will come fully 1 year, so 365 multiplied by 165. Clear what I am telling you? Now I want to go a fully solution on the next screen. Okay, so look at this side. This is your question which I have written here. Okay, now look at this side, my dear students. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? What we have to do first? हम यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, बाद में यहाँ पे जाएंगे, then we will move on the last digit, right? Clear? Okay, so 165 multiplied by 25, only 5. Okay, 5 5 ja 25, carry out by 2. Okay, 6 5 ja 30, 30 plus 2 32, carry out by 3. Clear? 5 1 ja 5, 5 plus 3 8. Clear, my dear students? The answer is 825, which I have written here. बेटा याद रखना, ये जो नंबर आप लिखते हैं, you have to write here 5 के नीचे ही लिखना है. Okay, do not look at this side. Clear? 6 के नीचे 2 लिखा और 3 के नीचे मैंने 8 लिखा. Clear what I am telling you, my dear students? Okay. Now we will move on. 165. अब ये हो गया. सेकंड पे आते हैं. Okay. We will move on the places of tens. We will move on the places of tens. Clear? So 165 multiplied by 60. क्योंकि tens का वैल्यू कितना है? What is the places value of 6? It is a 10. तो 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. Okay? तो हम ये जो जीरो आता है बेटा, what we have to do here? We will neglect it. हम उसको गिनते नहीं हैं. We will count only 165 multiplied by 6. Then हम जीरो एक्स्ट्रा लगा देंगे. Clear? Okay. So 165 multiplied by 6. Clear? 6 5 ja 30. Carry out by 3. 6 6 ja 36. 36 plus 3 39. Okay. 6 1 जा 6. 6 के बाद 7 8 and 9. So we will written here, and ये जीरो हमने छोड़ दिया था. So we will put here. Clear, my dear students? The answer is 9900, which I have written here. Clear what I am telling you? We have written here. Clear? Okay. Now the third number 165 multiplied by 300. क्योंकि 3 के बाद there are how many total digits? There are 2 digits. Therefore we will put extra 2 zero here. Okay. So हम पहले क्या करेंगे? 165 multiplied by 3. Then after multiplying 165 multiplied by 3, then we will add 2 extra zero here. Clear what I am telling you? Okay. Now look at this side. 165 multiplied by 3. Okay. तो 5 3 जा 15. Carry out by 1. 6 3 ja 18. 18 plus 1 19. Okay. Carry out by 1. 3 1 ja 3. 3 plus 1 4. Okay. After 3, how many total digits? There are 2 digits. So we will put extra 2 zero here. So which you can see here, my dear students. Now 5 plus 0 5. 5 plus 0 5. Okay. 2 plus 0 2. 2 plus 0 2, which I have written here, my dear students. Okay. 8 plus 9. 8 के बाद 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17. Okay. 8 plus 9 17. 17 after 5. So 18 19 20 21 22. Okay. So we will put carry out by 2. Okay. 9 plus 2 11. Okay. 10 and 11. 11 plus 9 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Okay. So we will put 0 here and carry out by 2. Okay. 4 के बाद 5 and 6. So answer should be 6. Okay. The right answer is 60,225. Clear? This is your answer. Okay, which you can see answer is 60,225. Okay, now we will move on same page number 172. Okay, years and years. Okay, the Sohan drinks 8 glasses of water every day. How many glasses he drinks? So he drinks 8 glasses per day, right? So how many glasses will he drink in 1 month? So my dear students, what we have to do? How many days in 1 month? There are total 30 days. Clear, my dear students? Okay, the 30 multiplied by 8. Okay, so you will get answer. Now I want to show you a fully solution. Okay, so look at this side. Same question I have repeated here, right? Okay, the number of glasses of water Sohan drinks every day is equal to 8. Okay, we know that 1 month is equal to how many days? 30 days. So 30 multiplied by 8. Okay, I want to show you a solution here. Okay, so 30 multiplied by 8. So look at this side, my dear students. The 8 0 ja 0 and 8 3 ja 8, 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. So we will multiply by 8 3 ja 24. So how many glasses he drinks in 1 month? So he drinks, or Sohan drinks 240 glasses in 1 month. Okay, so look at this side. So hence Sohan will drink 240 glasses of water in 1 month. Okay, so here answer is 240 glasses. Okay, how many glasses will he drink in 1 year? How many days in 1 year? There are total 365 days in 1 year, right? Okay, so now I want to show you one solution here. Question number 2. Okay, so here you can see, now we know the 1 year is equal to 365, right? Okay, so the number of glasses of water consumed by Sohan in 365 days is equal to 365 multiplied by 8. So I want to show you a fully solution here. Okay, look at this side. 8 5 ja 40. Okay, so speak the table according to with me. Speak the table with me. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40. Okay, so we will put 0 here and carry out by 4. Chalo, 8 6 ja 48, 48, then 49, 50, 51 and 52. Okay, we will put 2 here and carry out by 5. 8 3 ja 24. 24, after you will add 5 in the 24. 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. So he will drink 2,920 glasses in 1 year. Clear what I am telling you, my dear students? Okay, so hence Sohan will drink 2,920 glasses of water in 1 year. Clear? Okay, so here the answer is 2,920. Understood? Video very soon. Okay, because the video length is too high. My dear students, we will discuss this question number 3 in the next video. Okay, clear what I am telling you? Understood? And if you have any query, if you have any doubt, please drop your message in the comment section box. So insha'Allah ta'ala we will try to give proper solution. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day ahead. If you have any query, please drop your message in the comment section box. Thank you once again. Bye bye.